best there is, plain and simple. Well, I mean, I wake up in the morning, I piss excellence. Thank you. And nobody can hang with my stuff. Just a big, hairy American winning machine. If you ain't first, you're last. You know what I'm talking about?
Hello, I'm Jensen. What's going on, everybody? Hope you're having a great day. If you're new to the channel, make sure you like and subscribe. So I'm on my way to Napa to go hit a car show. We got the Cat, and bro brought out the E36 drop. The tornado wind out here, but you know what it is. We got to get gas, of course. $4.79 a gallon. But we on the way. $63. Right now, it always be hella hot with the boys. There's always like 4 cars pulled over as soon as we're pulling in. Shit's crazy. They always have some wet ass old schools out here. Another kitty. Chevelle. Yeah, see? Hella old schools. Just pulled up right across. They got some wet shit. It's all in the details with the old schools. Door handles, mirrors, everywhere. This shit is clean. Right next to it. Wow, look at the dash. This El Camino is something else. Look at the dash though, it's so nice. Imagine throwing a dirt bike in the back. Yeah, it's like bubble. That's just crazy. I bet it's so hard to find one of these windows. Oh yeah. Out of the 2 colors, I'd choose this all day.
I really like the gray. What's those wires?
Those are curb spotters.
How does that help you?
Because you hear them hit the curb before your wheel hits the curb.
Wow.
Yeah, some real old school shit. Before sensors, they got the curb spotters.
You actually hear that?
Yeah, it'll go ting ting.
Wow.
So yeah, it'll save your Daytons or whatever wheels you got. This thing is gorgeous. Except for what happened to the hood?
Damn. Maybe shoot into the air, they gotta come down.
For real. That interior is hella nice. That tan. It's like a burgundy red color. This shit is beautiful. That boy brought out the Peterbilt. Okay. That Datsun truck is wet. That thing probably smashes through the back roads. Said as we were coming in, boys be pulling everyone over. They just pulled over a G8 as he was coming in. The drop top Bronc, or the Blazer, okay. I was wrong. That shit's wet. Clean. That's like the bullet green. That shit's wet. And the Fox Cobra though. That shit's stupid wet. That shit wet, bro. That shit dumb clean. Bro got some meat on there. This thing damn near perfect. Nah, it's pretty much perfect.
You picked an amazing seat choice.
Yeah, like seat choice, the door panels. He kind of kept it really original
I didn't even
looking.
notice the door panels.
Yeah. Everything's redone. The dash, everything.
This thing's so nice.
Beautiful. Beautiful. I wonder what it has under the motor. Super clean. Okay, okay. This answers my question. Okay.
I literally just this weekend I saw the Harley DFI.
Okay, V2 Coupe. Japan Jurassic Park RX-7. Right-hand drive. That's just wet.
I think I see a turbo.
Do you? This shit is clean. Right-hand drive. Bro, didn't Anthony have one of these?
I think so.
I'm almost positive he did. This is a Mini Cooper from way back. Look at the wheels. Clean, bro.
That shit's so clean.
Didn't even see this Datsun when I parked. This shit wet. I have never seen a wing like this. Or a little, I've never seen a spoiler like this. Okay. With the chalk. Came through with the chalk. And the wine. She clean. The real big body. I want one of these one day too, but I want the 4-door. This is clean. The ghost stripes are wet.
Gotta type about you.
Got the race harnesses, everything done. Big old tires in the back. The ghost stripes. See? And the S14. That boy tucking shit. Sheesh. What's up, fool?
Got it back from Sex Bishop.
How you doing?
That's fucked up. I know, I just got it back from Sex Bishop.
Haven't seen this thing in a minute. This color still looks hella good, I'm not gonna lie.
Right, I'm about to change it. Probably gonna match with C6, do black on carbon.
Yeah? Just have twins?
What you bring? Hellcat?
Yep.
Watch out. The boys are here.
Yeah, I know.
Got him.
Oh, for real?
You got ref.
No shit. Yeah, I don't need any more of those. I'm straight. What kind of tires you got on here? Some slideys?
402.
Clean. Wow. LSA and the Chevelle. This thing is gorgeous. Okay. Nice red eye. boys are gonna go this way, so let's go this way. Still real shit. Nice. I like that color combo, the orange on the gray. That's super clean. Bel Air. Okay. With the dice. Yeah. Bro, wet. Time for a little burger. That shit's loud as fuck. Hell yeah. Damn near everyone left. Probably about to go to a different car meet in Vallejo now, but yeah, that's gonna be the end of this video. Thank you guys for watching. I appreciate it. See you guys in the next one. Doses.